Very interesting question from Probability Chapter 2022 JEE Means Maths. Question is like this. In an examination, there are 10 true-false questions. Out of 10, a student can guess the answer of 4 questions correctly with probability 3 upon 4, and the remaining 6 questions correctly with the probability 1 upon 4. If the probability that the student guesses the answers of exactly 8 questions correctly out of 10 is this, that is 27 into k upon 4 power 10, then k is equal to, you have to find out. So first of all, we will find the probability and then we will compare with this one and then we will find the value of k. So according to your given statement in your question, there are 10 questions, okay, and 4 questions are such that, suppose we are taking serial wise 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4 questions. If he or she guesses, then his guess will or her guess will be correctly with the probability 3 upon 4. And the remaining 6 questions, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, group of remaining 6 questions, he or she guesses, then there is a probability to be correct as 1 upon 4. Now, 8 questions correctly by the guessing out of 10 questions. This is given in your question, that he or she had answered 8 questions correctly out of 10 questions, and its probability is given like this. Now you have to find this value k. So let us start solving the question. Now 8 answers or question the answer of 8 questions will be correct in how many ways? First of all, form the group. If he or she selects all the 4 questions from the first group, this is your first group, yes or no, and this is your second group, and the remaining 4 questions correctly from the second group. This is one combination possible. Another is 3 from this first group and 5 from the second group, correct, and then 2 from the first group and 6 from the second group. Any other combination not possible. Okay, why I'm telling this? Because if you take, for example, just to make you clear, that if you take this one from the first group, then you have to choose 7 answer from the second group, but in second group you have only 6 questions. You cannot select 7 questions. Okay, similarly, if you want to select 5 questions from first group and 3 questions from the second group, so 5 question is not available here. You have only 4 questions. Okay, that is the reason we will take only 3 combinations. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this is not, so I will just rub it. Now come to the point. The point is, now we have to find the probability, that is the total probability. So when we select in this way, so what we are going to do, so we are going to select these 3 groups and we will find the total probability. So firstly we will select 4 C4, okay, all the questions from the first group, and we are assuming that it is correct. So what happens in that case? All the 4 correct ones, 3 upon 4 power 4, and remaining 4 questions from the second group out of 6 C4, and its probability of correct is 1 upon 4. So 4 questions correct and remaining are wrong, so that will be 3 by 4 power 2. Okay, next, from the second group we are selecting 4C34, and 3 correct means 3 upon 4 power 3, 1 wrong, so 1 upon 4 power 1, and then 6C5 means 5 correct means 1 by 4 probability is there in the sixth group, and 1 is wrong, so its probability will be 3 by 4 power 1. And the third group, so 4C2, So 3 upon 4 with power 2 and 1 upon 4 with power 2 into 6C6 means all are correct from this. So 1 by 4 power 6. Okay, clear. So this is your total probability. Now we will simplify. 4C4 is 1 into 3 power 4, 3 by 4 power 4 into 6C4 is 15 into 1 upon 4 power 4 into 3 by 2 power 2 plus 4C3 is 4 into 3 by 4 power 3 into 1 by 4 power 1 into 6C5. 6C5 is again 6 into 1 by 4 power 5 into 3 by 4 power 1. One more group is there, 4C2, that is 6 into 3 by 4 power 2 into 1 by 4 power 2. 6C6 is 1 into 1 by 4 power 6. Now simplify it, or you can see that 3 power 4 is coming. How many times in the first case? This is 4. Okay, so 3 power 4 is coming in the first case 6 times into 15 into 1 by 4 power 4. In the second case 4 6 are 24 into 3 power 4 is coming as 4 times and 1 by 4 is coming as 6 times. In the third case 6 into 3 by 4 is coming as 2 times and 1 by 4 is coming as 8 times. So you can see that 1 by 4 power 10 we can take common. Also we can take 3 power 2. Okay, so 3 power 2 also we can take common throughout. So we will be remaining with 3 power 4 into 15 plus 24 into 3 power 2 plus 3 power 3 we can take common actually. Here we will get 3. Here we will so we will do it in the next step. Okay, that here it is 3 power 2 we have taken, so 6 into, you have nothing left, so 1 is left. Okay, now come here. Now again we can take 3 common, so 3 power 3 it becomes, 4 power 10 it becomes. Here 3 power 3 into 15 plus 1 3 has gone, so 24 into 3. Here 1 3 has gone, so 2 is there. Now we will solve this. 3 power 3, 4 power 10 into 15 into 27 plus 72 plus 2. So 15 and 27, you just find the multiplication. Okay, so 405. So you are getting 27 upon 4 power 10 into 405 plus 74. So which will give you 27 4 power 10 into 479. 479. So if you will compare with the given equation in your question, that was 27 k 4 power 10. So what is your k? Now you can see from here that k value will be 479. Therefore k is 479. This is your answer. Thank you.